Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashu Jain, Assistant Professor and Coordinator, Department of Text Procedure and Practice, St. Aloysius College, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. And I am here to tell you all about self-confidence, how you can develop self-confidence the way I have developed it inside me. All right. So first of all, I would like to tell you, in the world, everybody is so efficient, everybody wants to achieve the desired goals, but they are not able to do so. Why? It is not because they do not have skills, it is not because they don't have potential or capacity, but it is because they do not have self-confidence. So I am here to tell you all about the self-confidence and how to boost it up, why it is important in our lives, all right? So what I have learned from my experience, I'm going to tell you all that only, not any bookish language, not any bookish knowledge. I am only sharing my experience with you all right? So first thing, what I have learned about self-confidence, that is you have to be positive. If you think that you are able to do something, you will do it. You can because you think you can. So this is the mantra for your life, that you can because you think you can. If you cannot think something, you can never do that. Whatever you want to do, just think it in mind. The moment you start thinking, that is the same moment that you start inculcating that positivity, that you will do it. And I am assuring you that you will do it definitely, for sure. All right. So first thing is, you can because you think you can. So that you need to think positive. The moment you think positive, everything start becoming positive around you. What I did in my life. All right. Second point, what I know, I think, and I believe is PPP concept. Now, what is this PPP concept? Prepare, practice, and perform. Whenever you have to perform anything, you just prepare it by heart and mind, by heart and soul. The moment you start preparing for it, you know, achieving the actual desired success. So you need to prepare it accordingly. The more you prepare, the best you perform. So prepare, practice. The more you practice, you need to practice it, whatever you want to achieve. For example, you want to be a speaker, or you want to be a motivator, or you want to be a writer, or you want to be a poet. Whatever you want to be in your life, you have to practice it. The more you practice it, the more you achieve it. So practice as much practice as possible, and it will give you confidence also. Third point, learn something daily. You have to learn something out of your daily routine. Whatever you are doing, wherever you are going, whoever you're talking to, whatever is happening around you, you just have to think and learn something out of it. The moment you start learning, that is the same moment that you start exploring. So you have to learn at least one new thing daily. How you are going to do it, it is your lookout. But you have to learn. And that learning must be positive. Even from the worst condition, if you are able to learn something, that is the best ever thing for you. All right. So learn something new daily. All right. Next thing is, you have to explore your life. This is the one life we have got. It is only forgiven to have more experience and knowledge. You know, when you have more experience, when you have more knowledge, you are actually more confident. So your maturity level increases because of your experience. So in this one life, you have to explore something daily. Go and grab the opportunities around you. The moment you are grabbing the opportunity, you are learning something new. So you just have to go and explore. All right. Take initiatives and take as many risks as possible. Just go and take the risks, whatever the risks are. It is not about your life, risk related to your lives and something like that. No, it is like, just whatever you have thought to do, just go and do that. take risks. All right. The more you take risks, the more you become self-confident. So these 4 5 things are really important for us to learn something new. And these are all the mantras which I actually uh, I also have learned and experienced, and because of this experience, I am in the position of assistant professor, as well as I am taking the responsibility of the whole department as a coordinator. So this is how you are going to make the change in the world. See, every day when you wake up, just tell to yourself that I am a leader and I am going to change the world. And this is how you can just put positive thoughts in your mind. The moment you have positive thoughts in your mind, it is going to be really a very positive energy inside, and that is going to help you in inculcating self-confidence. I hope these lessons are going to help you in any way of achieving self-confidence. I wish you all the success and growth, all the very best. Thank you for your patient listening. Goodbye, take care.